So now we'll be reading these word problems one by one, and what you all have to do is you have to write these statements also in your book, and whatever statement I am writing here, you have to write that statement in your course book, and do not make any spelling mistake. Copy it properly. Okay, so I'll start reading this question now. So your first bit is, excuse me. Okay, so children, I'll read this question for you all. Now listen very carefully. This is, Ria brought 28 chocolates to the school. There's one girl, Ria, and she brought 28 chocolates to the school. Then there is another girl, Rita. Rita brought 33 chocolates. So there was one girl, Ria, and she brought how many chocolates? She brought 28 chocolates. Okay. And then there was another girl, Rita, and she brought how many chocolates? She brought 33 chocolates. She brought 33 chocolates, children. So now they are asking how many chocolates are there in all. So now see here, in all word is there. What we will do? What we will do if in all word is there? Is there anyone who can tell me what we will do? Yes, is there any child who can tell me if in all word is there, what we will do? We will do addition or we will do subtraction? Yes, Ritvik, unmute yourself.
Addition.
Very good, very good. Yes, Tanvisri. You were raising your hand. Yeah, what we will do, Tanvisri?
Addition.
Addition. Okay, very good. Yes, Ayansh, you were raising your hand. Ayansh Gupta.
Ma'am.
Yeah, what we will do?
Addition, ma'am.
Yeah, that's correct. Very good. So, children, whenever in all word is there, remember this thing. We will do addition. Whenever in all word is there, we always do addition. So now, first we have to write statements. We have to write statements here. Yes, Akshuta? Yes, Akshuta.
Nothing, ma'am.
Then why were you raising your hand? See, every time you are raising your hand and then you are saying nothing now. Don't do this again. Yes, children. So now start writing these statements in your book. Okay, so we'll start writing, and your hand, again I'm repeating, your handwriting should be neat and clean. Yes, Advait? Yes, Advait.
Ma'am, page number, ma'am.
Page number 43. Page number 43. Yeah, so start writing, children. Number of chocolates. Yes, children, write correct spelling, okay? Number of chocolates. Ria brought. Number of chocolates Ria brought. Okay, and you all have to write correct spellings. So how many chocolates? Ria brought how many chocolates, children? 28. So number of chocolates Ria brought equal to 28. Okay. Then we will write number of chocolates. There was another girl, Rita. So we will write here number of chocolates. Number of chocolates Rita brought. Number of chocolates Rita brought how many? Rita brought 33. 3 chocolates. How many chocolates did she bring? She brought 33 chocolates. 33. Excuse me. So number of chocolates Ria brought equal to 28. Number of chocolates Rita brought equal to 33. Fine. So now what is our next step, children? Now we have to arrange these numbers in ones and tens column. We have to arrange these numbers in ones and tens column because both the numbers 28 and 33, both the numbers are two-digit numbers, and a two-digit number has value in ones place and tens place. So we will arrange them in ones and tens column, right? So what we will do? We will write here T and O. So your first number is 28. Your first number is 28. So we will write 2 in tens place and 8 in ones place. Then what we will do? We will put a plus sign and then we will write 3 in tens place. We will write 3 in tens place and another 3 in ones place. Another 3 in ones place. Right, so now we have to add these two numbers together. We have to add these two numbers together, children. So now what we have to do, we have to add the number in ones place first. So what are the numbers in ones place? In ones place numbers are 8 and 3. In ones place numbers are 8 and 3, children. So now we'll start counting after 8 and we'll count forward 3. How we will do addition? See here, children, in ones place numbers are 8 and 3. Numbers are 8 and 3. So we'll start counting after 8 and we will count forward 3. So then we have to tell 8 plus 3 how much. Okay. Ketan,
Ma'am.
8 plus 3 how much? Start counting after. Huh? Start counting after.
4, ma'am.
Wrong. You have to start counting after 8 and count forward 3. You are attending class after so many days. That's why you don't know. Huh? Yes. Janvi, you tell me 8 plus 3 how much? Yes,
Ma'am.
yeah, that's correct. Children, 8 plus 3 is 11. So we will write one here in ones place and other one will go as carry over in tens place. Okay. Yeah. So now we have to add number in tens place. T Suryansh, unmute yourself. In tens place, how many numbers are there?
3.
Yeah. Tell me what are those numbers?
1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3. Very good. So now first tell me 2 plus 3 how much?
5.
Yeah, 2 plus 3 is 5, children. Very good. That's correct, Suryansh. And 5 plus 1?
6.
5 plus 1 is?
6.
Yeah. And 5 plus 1 is 6, children. So we will write here 6. So answer is 6161. Answer is 6161. Answer is 6161. So we have to write our last statement now. So your last statement will be total number of chocolates. Total number of chocolates equal to how many? 61. Total number of chocolates equal to 61. 61. Okay. And children, please write correct spellings. Again, I'm repeating, and your handwriting should be neat and clean. So, total number of chocolates equal to 61. Yes, okay. So now, is there any child who is still writing this word problem, first word problem? Yes, children, is there anyone who is still writing this first word problem? Again, I'm asking, is there anyone who is still writing this word problem? Okay, so no one raised hand. So I assume that nobody is writing. So I'm clearing all this now. Okay. Now your next word problem. Question, oh sorry. Yeah, next question, that is bit B. So now this is, I'll read this question and try to understand what is there. There are 36 students in one school bus. So there is one school bus, and in that school bus there are 36 students. 36 students in that school bus. Yes, Ketan?
Ma'am, I did not write first question.
Ketan, that's why I've asked 5-6 times, is there anyone who is still writing? Is there anyone who is still writing? But at that time you did not raise your hand. So many times I asked. Now, that's why before clearing anything, I am asking you all again and again that is there anyone who is still writing? But no. At that time you were not saying anything, no? Children, this is what happens. Again and again I'm asking you whether you people are writing or not, but none of you is raising hand. Ketan, now later on you can see from any of your friend, or I'll post it in MCB. Yes, Ketan?
I did not see it, ma'am. I did not write.
That's what
Oh,
Ketan,
ma'am.
I'm asking you again and again. Is there anyone who is still writing? I asked this question, but at that time you did not raise your hand. You did not raise your hand. Now you can complete it later on. Yes, children. So now next question, and from next time be careful, Ketan. Your next question is, there are 36 students in one school bus. So there is one school bus. In that school bus, there are 36 students. How many students? 36 students. Okay. And 26 in another. This means that in one bus, there are 36 students. And in another bus, there are 26 students. Okay. Now question is, how many students are there in all? Again, in all word is there. There are 2 school buses. In one school bus, there are 36 students, and in another school bus, there are 26 students. Now they are asking you how many students are there in all. So again, in all word is there. So now what we will do? We'll do addition. We'll do addition. So before starting our addition, what we will write? We will write statements here. So we'll write number of students. Start writing, children. Number of students in school bus equal to 36. Then number of students in another school bus equal to how many? In another school bus there are 26 students. There are 26 students. Okay. You people may not have sufficient space in your book, so try to adjust it in one column. Okay. Yes, children, try to adjust in the given space only. So your first number is 3, 6, 36. So we will write 3 in tens place and 6 in ones place. Both the numbers are 2-digit numbers, 36 and 26. So we'll arrange them in ones and tens column. So we'll write 36 first. And then we'll write the next number 26. And so 2 we will write in tens column, and 1 we will write in, 6 we will write in ones column. Okay. So now again we'll start adding the number in ones place first. So now in ones place numbers are 6 and 6. 6 and 6. Okay, so first I'll give you 2 minutes time to write these statements. Write these statements in your book, children, fast. Yes, children, write these statements. And write properly. So your first statement is number of students in school bus and number of students in another school bus. Yes, Ashrita?
Ma'am, completed.
Okay, so you did addition also. Okay, tell me what is the answer?
What is the answer means 62.
62. Okay. That's the correct answer. Very good, Ashrita. Yeah. So children, now see here, we'll start adding the number in ones place. So now Ronald, you tell me in ones place, what are the numbers? Ronald,
అవునా నిన్నే పిలుస్తుంది.
Ronald, Ronald,
Yes,
are you
ma'am.
there?
Yes.
చెప్పు మమ్మీకి చెప్పాలా మరి?
What, ma'am?
I asked you, tell me what are the numbers in ones place?
The numbers in ones place is 3,
Huh?
వన్స్ ప్లేస్ లో ఏముంది ఇక్కడ?
6,
6 and?
6,
Yeah. So now tell me 6 plus 6 how much?
12.
Yeah. Children, see here in ones place numbers are 6 and 6 and 6 plus 6 is 12. So we will write 2 here in ones place and 1 will go as carry over in tens place. 1 will go as carry over in tens place. So we will write that one here in tens place. Okay. So now we have to add the number in tens place. So Manha, you tell me how many numbers are there in tens place? Yeah, Manha, how many numbers are there? Manha, I'm waiting. How many numbers are there, Manha?
4.
4 numbers are there.
Yes.
What? Manha, that's wrong. No, 4 numbers are not there. Wrong. Siddharth, you tell me how many numbers are there in tens place?
What, ma'am?
How many numbers are there in tens place?
2 numbers.
2 numbers. Very good. Very good, Siddharth. Sleeping? Wrong. Siddharth, wrong. Sai Ritvik, you unmute yourself and tell me how many numbers are there in tens place?
3.
3. Very good. 3 is the correct answer. Mana and Siddharth, see here. In tens place, numbers are this 1 which we wrote as carry over. 1 is there, 3 is there, and 2 is there. 3 numbers are there, 1, 3, and 2. And now we have to add these 3 numbers together. Dhruti, you tell me 3 plus 2 how much? Start counting after 3 and count forward 2.
7.
Wrong. I said 3 plus 2. Start counting after 3 and count forward 2. Show me your 2 fingers. Dhruti?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So now start counting after 3. After 3.
5.
Yeah. So 3 plus 2 is 5. And now tell me 5 plus 1 how much? After 5, count 1. Count forward 1 after 5.
6.
Yeah. So 5 plus 1 is 6. So answer is 6 to 62. Answer is 6 to 62 children. Write this answer. Yes, Ayan. Ayan Kuluru.
రాయాలి మనం రాయాలి డాట్
Ayan, you were raising your hand. Okay. So that's the correct answer. So 36 plus 26 is 62. 62. So now we'll write the last statement. This is how many students are there in all. So you can write here total number of students. Yes, children, start writing total number of students equal to 62. 2. Total number of students equal to 62. Write there 62 children. This is total number of students equal to 62. Yes, okay. So is there anyone who is still writing? Again, I am asking. Ketan, have you completed? Ketan,
No, ma'am.
where are you?
Here.
How can I see where? Speak and tell.
No, ma'am. I did not write.
I'm asking. Up to
I
where
did
you
not write, ma'am.
have Ketan, up to where you have written.
అడుగుతున్నాడు ఏం చెప్పాలి
Yes, okay. So I'll give you 1 more minute. Complete your work, children. Yes, children, write fast. Yes, children, 1 more minute. Yes. Okay, so is there anyone who is still writing? Ketan completed? Ketan,
కంప్లీటెడ్
then you should tell also, no? I was waiting for only for you. Okay, is there anyone who is still writing? Again and again I am asking, is there anyone who is still writing? Yes, children, again I am asking, is there anyone who is still writing? Nobody is raising hand, so now I am clearing all this. Okay, so now we'll move to next word problem, that is bit C. So your question is, Ravi's mother brought 18 mangoes. There's one boy, Ravi, and his mother brought 18 mangoes. Okay, Ravi's mother brought 18 mangoes, and his father, Ravi's father, and his father, this means Ravi's father brought 47 mangoes. 47 mangoes. So there's one boy, Ravi. Okay, so his mother brought 18 mangoes and his father brought 47 mangoes. So now they are asking how many mangoes they have in all now. Again in all word is there. Again in all word is there. So now again we'll do addition. So this is there. They said that there is one boy, Ravi. His father brought 47 mangoes and his mother brought 18 mangoes, and now they're asking total how many mangoes are there, or how many mangoes are there in all. So now what we will do, we'll do addition here, that is for sure, because in all word is there. So first we have to write the statement. So we'll write here, this is so start writing. Ravi's mother Okay, so children, right here, you have to put your apostrophe S also like this. Yeah. So now you have to write here Ravi's mother. No, don't write like this, children. Wait. Write number of mangoes. Write like this. Number of mangoes. Erase that and write number of mangoes. Number of mangoes. Ravi's mother brought. We'll write number of mangoes Ravi's mother brought. We'll write here number of mangoes Ravi's mother brought. Mother brought equal to 18. So this is number of mangoes Ravi's mother brought equal to 18. The next line we'll write number of mangoes. Number of mangoes his father brought. His father brought equal to 47. Equal to 47 children. So number of mangoes his father brought equal to 47. And again 18 and 47 both are 2-digit numbers, so we'll arrange them in ones and tens column. Right. So your first number is 18, so we will write 1 in tens place and 8 in ones place. And we'll put a plus sign because we are doing addition here. So your next number is 4, so we will write 4 in tens place and 7 we will write in ones place. Right, so this is how we will arrange 18 and 47. And now we have to add 18 and 47 together. So your first statement is number of mangoes Ravi's mother brought equal to 18. Then number of mangoes his father brought equal to 47. Right, and then we have arranged these numbers in ones and tens column, 18 and 47. And now we have to add these numbers together. So first we'll add the number in ones place. Swarnika. Swarnika. Swarnika.
R capital. Finger cap, Rajan. R capital.
Yes, Ayan.
Ma'am, 65, ma'am.
65. Okay, that's the correct answer. Very good, Ayan. Very good. That's the correct answer. Okay, that's correct. Ananya, you tell me 8 plus 7 how much? Ananya. Start counting after 8 and count forward 7.
50.
15.
15.
15. Okay, so 8 plus 7 is 15. Very good. So what we will do, children? We will write 5 here in ones place. We will write 5 here in ones place. This is 5, okay? We will write 5 here in ones place and 1 will go as carry over in tens place. 1 will go as carry over in tens place. Now we have to add the number in tens place, children. So in tens place, wait, I'll write it properly. Oosh. So this one will go as carry over in tens place. Yeah. Ansel, you tell me how many numbers are there in tens place? Ansel.
Yes, ma'am.
Tens place.
What, ma'am?
Tens place, how many numbers are there?
Ma'am, I cannot hear.
In tens place, how many numbers are there?
6.
You told me the answer. Okay, that's the answer, but I was asking how many numbers. Okay, so that's correct. 6 is the answer. So children, see here in tens place, 3 numbers are there. 1, 1 and 4. So 1 plus 4 is 5 and 5 plus 1 is 6. So we will write 6 here in tens place. So answer is 6, 5, 60. 5 children. Answer is 6, 5, 60. 5, and we'll write our last statement. This is total. Start writing, children. Total number of mangoes. Total number of mangoes equal to 65. Write this, children, write fast. This is total number of mangoes equal to 65. Write fast. Ketan, you write fast. Less than 1 minute is left, children, write fast. This is total number of mangoes equal to